you know that there is a giant sphere in Las Vegas that cost $2.3 billion to build? It's called the MSG Sphere at the Venetian Resort, and it's not just a huge ball. It's a state-of-the-art entertainment venue that can host concerts, shows, and immersive experiences. In this video, we'll take a look at what makes this sphere so special and what you can expect to see inside. The MSG Sphere is 366 feet tall and 516 feet wide, making it the largest sphere in the world. It can seat up to 17,500 people and has a floor area of 875,000 square feet. But the most impressive feature of the sphere is its exosphere, the outer surface that covers the entire structure with LED panels. The exosphere is the world's largest LED screen, with more than 580,000 square feet of display area and over 100 million pixels. It can show stunning images and videos that can be seen from miles away, creating a spectacular sight at night. But the exosphere is not the only thing that makes the MSG Sphere unique. Inside, the sphere has a revolutionary sound system that can deliver crystal-clear audio to every seat in the venue. The sound system uses beamforming technology, which means that it can direct sound waves to specific locations and create different sound effects for different parts of the audience. For example, if there is a thunderstorm on the screen, you can hear the raindrops falling around you and feel the wind blowing on your face. The sphere also has an advanced lighting system that can create different moods and atmospheres for different events. The lighting system uses thousands of programmable LEDs that can change colors and patterns in sync with the sound and the screen. The lighting system can also project holograms and 3D images onto the stage, creating an illusion of depth and realism. The MSG Sphere is designed to host a variety of entertainment events, from music concerts to sports games to virtual reality experiences. The sphere can transform itself into any environment and create immersive sensations for the audience. For example, if you are watching a concert by your favorite artist, you can feel like you are on stage with them, surrounded by their music and fans. Or if you are watching a movie, you can feel like you are in the middle of the action, with realistic sounds and visuals. The MSG Sphere is expected to open in 2023 and become one of the most popular attractions in Las Vegas. It will offer a new level of entertainment that has never been seen before. If you are planning to visit Las Vegas in the future, make sure to check out this amazing sphere and see what's inside.